Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Beast Dog. In this video we will discuss about the price of the Dogo Argentino and the fact about Dogo Argentino is suitable for you or not. What are the reasons that might make you a Dogo Argentino ill suited for you? Now let's watch in our today video. Let's go. These are the basic information about the Dogo Argentino. You can read it by pausing it. Now the next. There are the three variations in the price of the Dogo Argentino in India. That is the basic KCR registration and the show quality. But you know that the show quality can reach up to 1,60,000. The Dogo Argentino price in India starts at around 65,000 and this is for the basic variation, not a top quality breed dog. Many breeders in the country are providing these different variation of this breed. These variation heavily influence the overall quality and the Dogo Argentino price in India. If you want to buy a Dogo Argentino, you can visit the Google site Tails Buddy All About Pets. You can register here or call them for the dog registration. Now, what are the reasons that Dogo Argentino is ill suited for you? They are not very apartment friendly in nature. They are not that warm with strangers and other animal as compared to other dogs like the pit bull, rot. But this can be improved through daily training. The exercises are very high. Before buying, you can read more information about the Dogo Argentino in the Tails Buddy Google website, from where you get the complete information about the Dogo Argentino is suitable for you or not. These are the reasons that make Dogo Argentino suitable for you, as these dogs are very affectionate and loyal toward their owner and loves one. Their grooming needs are minimal. They do not have a big double coat. They have a single coat. They are considered to be very awesome guard dog. These dogs are generally quite good with kids. They can tolerate very high temperature and hot weather condition, and thus they are very comfortable thrive in most part of the India. Now we will discuss about the price ranges of the Dogo Argentino puppies which are available in variations below. Read some information regarding Dogo Argentino, sees if it is a right fit for you or not. The Dogo Argentino is extremely powerful and strong canine that is sturdily built and possesses a burly appearance. As you know, the Dogo Argentino bite force is around 500 psi, which is a much more than a leopard, and the leopard bite force is around 300 psi. There is such a difference. So how is the today video? If you like the video, you can subscribe my channel and do not forget to like it.